What does it mean to live without limits? Introducing the EcoFlow Delta Pro, the world's first portable home battery with an expandable ecosystem designed to store energy so you can use it at any time. The Delta Pro ecosystem connects directly to your home with the new EcoFlow Smart Home Panel, which immediately reroutes to Delta Pro to provide uninterrupted power during emergencies. Power outages are no longer a problem, as Delta Pro keeps your entire home fully powered, even high-wattage appliances. And in daily use, the ecosystem reduces your reliance on the grid, saving money on your energy bills. The EcoFlow app gives you full control over your home circuits and lets you manage your power consumption. If you need another way to power high-voltage devices, connect two Delta Pro units together. During emergencies, the new EcoFlow Smart Generator provides cost-effective and efficient power compared to using a traditional gas generator alone. Delta Pro takes innovation even further. Introducing FlowCharge, the world's first charging technology that lets you charge anywhere at any time. The new EcoFlow Solar Tracker automatically follows the position of the sun to improve power generation. At home, plug Delta Pro into any wall outlet to fully charge in 2.5 hours, thanks to Xstream, the world's fastest portable power station charging technology. For the first time ever, you can charge Delta Pro at any leading Level 2 EV charging station. All this and more make Delta Pro the most powerful portable power solution, because Delta Pro isn't just a portable home battery, it's a way to power a new world.
The 2469E from United States Stove Company is a heavy-duty cast iron constructed wood stove that is ideal for log cabins, large garages, and shops. Ideal for any rugged outdoorsman, those with nostalgic taste, or someone simply looking for a reliable, cost-efficient, EPA-approved heating. This stove will comfortably heat most homes. With 94,000 BTUs, it can heat a home up to 1,600 square feet while remaining clean burning and energy efficient. All of this is accomplished in a stove that is 28 inches high, 38 inches deep, and only 25 inches wide. The 2469E comes with step-by-step instructions to help walk you through an easy installation. Simply place this stove on a non-combustible floor surface and install your flue pipe to either exit out the ceiling or up and out the wall. After installation is complete, you're ready to heat your home. This cast iron stove is easy to operate. Simply fill the firebox with kindling, start your fire, add some logs, and you're ready to heat. In no time at all, your home will be warm.
If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button below. And if you want to see similar videos in the future, smash that subscribe button and make sure to turn the notification bell on. For now, that's all I've got. And in all that you do, we want to help you beat yesterday.